Hi everybody, we're at the fields again. Tonight I'm going to hunt with Arnoud. I'm going to detect here. There's some small rise in here as well. Maybe we'll get on the next field, but depends on what we find here. So I'll show you, see you at the first good find. Well, this is the first find. Don't know if it's a good find, but it looks like it's bronze. It weighs a lot, green stuff on it, but yeah, don't know. I will take it home with me. This is an old site, so you never know. I'll clean it up at home. Arnold has arrived and I just found a coin. Hey. I think it's an unreadable one. Should be a 1 cent from Willem I, I think. Right, let's carry on. Hey, I found another fin ball on the same field I found the other one. It's a whole one, but again, brass, not silver. Right, let's carry on. Oh ja, zo'n heb ik ook. Yep. Mooi gespje.
Leuk man.
Good morning everybody. I'm back at the 17th century field. It has been raining all week and I have now a couple of hours, tops 4, to hunt today here. In the meanwhile they have put up some sticks in the ground and I have no clue why, but I will check it out later this week. Maybe they're going to dig a trench here for something to put in there, and yeah, I'll see you at the first good find. First find is a pistol ball. Yay! Let's move on. Second good find is a coin, and I really should buy some new batteries for the Garrett Pro Pointer, because it doesn't have the range anymore like I want it to be. There's some nice patina on it, but I don't know if there's anything on it. I'll have to show you at home. Right, let's move on. I use a program GM Power, 18 kilohertz, and I'm ground my ground balance is on auto, because 1 minute it's 85, 90, and the other one is in the 60s, and this one was in the 60s. So I'm getting a lot more depth. But my next find was right at the surface, and it's a buckle. Beautiful one. Yabba-dabba-doo. To Danny with his lovely silver coin. Awesome. Let's move on. And I found a part of a buckle. I don't think it's the whole one, but you never know. Right, let's carry on. And I found another old coin. I think this one is from the 1700s, 18th century. But I have no clue what kind of coin. A doubt at least, but which one I don't know. Right, let's carry on. This is the next item. Oh, it's a buckle. It's another buckle. It's a beautiful buckle. Very good. Very nice. Still no silver, but I'm hopeful there is something silver around here. This is a good find. Right, let's move on. And I found another coin. Come here. Ooh, looks like there are 2 holes in it, but it is a coin. Alright, let's move on. And I think I found another coin. It's a very green one, right in here. Oh, I can see it already. It's a Groningen Onbelande. Wow, one of our own prophets. It must be 1700 something, but I can see it on it right now. Alright, that's a good one. Let's move on. Well, I've seen these before, but some sort of belt buckle. If if somebody knows what it is, please let me know. And I found another coin. Small one. There's something readable on it as well. Lovely. Alright, let's carry on before it starts raining. Yo! And I found yet another copper hammered coin. Has also some detail on it and will be cleaned, and I will show you a picture. Right, let's move on. Next one is a big bullet tip, a bullet tip with casing. Alright, didn't expect that one here. Let's move on. iron buckle. Ding. Let's carry on. Well everybody, 2 hours it's starting to rain, so won't be detecting anymore today. See you on the next video. Bye.